Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Sagvik Bal Digital, and in this video we will talk about how to integrate and use Lottie files right within Canva. Okay, so first of all, what is a Lottie file? Lottie file is basically a library, and upon its integration with the Canva you can access about more than 100,000 scalable lightweight animations. You can also customize them. You can also apply your brand colors on it and use them right within your Canva design. So it is a super easy, and it also enhance your design visibility and CTA, for example click-through rate. Okay, so now right within Canva, how to use it, how to install it, how to integrate it, and what are the tips and tricks you can use for the using the Lottie files. Okay, so right now I am in the homepage of Canva, and on the very left side I find a tab named as apps. When I click on this, I come on this page, that is Canva app marketplace. You can directly access this page by going to this URL canva.com/your dash apps. Okay, so Lottie Files is just an app on the featured wall of Canva app marketplace. But if you couldn't find out here, so just here is a search bar, just write here Lottie Files, and you can easily find this app in the Canva app marketplace. When I click on this, so a pop-up comes in front of me, and here comes two options for me: using existing design and using a new design. Okay, so if you want to create use Lottie files right within your existing design, so just click on the upper option, and here you can search out your design, or you can go to your projects or shared projects and then open that design to use that Lottie files in that project. But I want to use it in a new design, so here is also a second option: use in a new design. If I click on this, so it asks me about what dimension or what post or what in which you want to use the Lottie file. So here's a option search bar. If you want to search about any custom dimension, for example Instagram, Facebook, etc., you can also search out here. You can also enter your custom size, but I just use select from this suggested one. So here is a for example Instagram post design, which is square. So I just click on this, so a black Instagram post design in front of me on the right side, and on the very left tab a Lottie files will be loaded. Okay, so you must have to create your design in order to use the Lottie files. In order to create an account, just go to the Lottie files website, lottiefiles.com, and here on the very left side you can create your account from here. Okay, so I already create an account using a temp email. A temp email is a temporary email which you can use to create accounts on websites which you visit very less, not frequent or visitor, but you don't want to give your personal email. So I use a temp email, and I already create a Lottie files account. Okay, so I come on back on the Canva design. So here is the Lottie files. Here you can find a number of stunning animations. Okay, so let me dissect this one by one. Okay, so there is a Lottie files discover tab, in which you can discover the certain animations. For example, here is a search bar. For example, I write here space. So space is a keyword, and space related animations will be visible in front of me. Okay, then after the search bar, if I close this search bar, there is a feature section. If I click on this, so there are three options, that are popular, recent, and featured. And also there is another option using the color palettes. You can also edit your new palette, so it will you can say filter out, or the animations will be in your custom color palette, or you can fulfill your branding needs here. Okay, so this is all about the discover tab. The second one is workspace. So workspace is just integrated, or you can say linked with the Lottie files account. So first let me click on this small option, And here it asks me about to connect with my Lottie file. I just click here connect, and click here connect, and a Lottie file, because I am already logged in my Lottie file account, so it just took from login credentials from there, and easily I can log in into my Lottie files. Okay, so this is a workspace. Workspace is just like a workspace in an office. You can also create your own custom animation right within your Lottie files, and you can directly import or export within your Canva. Okay, so if you want to import any JSON or .lottie file, you can also use from this. And this these are basically four options. Discover tab is just to discover the new animations. Workspace is your workspace where you can also create and link your Lottie files animations. And import, if you want to import any external JSON file or .lottie file, so you can import from here. Again, come on Lottie files. Oh, okay, so I just click on any animation, for example this one. Okay, so on clicking the animation, there's a name of the animation. There's a name of emoji bouncing animation. This is an animation without any background, and this animation is created by Abdul Latif. Okay, and then this is you can say animation player. You can also use this button to just play for once, but if it is selected, it plays again and again. Okay, so if you want to apply your branding colors or change the colors of this animation, you can just click on color animations, sorry, color palettes, and then you can select any of these, or you can add your color palette from here. Okay, so I don't want to add right now any color palette, so I delete palette and I just select from this, for example this last one. So the color of this animation is just amazingly updated. Okay, if you want to reset this animation, you can reset from here, reset button. But if you want to add it to your design, so you can use this add to design option. Okay, so I click on add to design, and this animation will be inserted into my Canva design. Okay, so upon based upon your color, if I particularly talk about the colors, so there are two ways. You can also add or change the color from here, from the color palettes. You can apply your custom palette, or you use from these color palettes. But if upon the, you can say, okay, let me zoom in. Okay, when the animation is inserted into your design, so also you can find here the color options, so you can also change from here, and it is super easy, and that's why it's called as scalable and lightweight. Okay, if I click on this, so this color is yes, in the animation the eyes and lips of the animation of this color, if I click on black color, so this color is just updated. And now what I do, I just go to my designs tab and just insert any free template. Okay, let me delete it first. Okay, so first of all, let me search here, for example. Okay, so as the Christmas is coming, so I just click on Christmas. Okay, so let me search about any template. Okay, so I use this template. Okay, so this is inserted. I again go to my Lottie files on the very left side bottom bar. Okay, and here I am going to you can say search any Lottie files animation related to my design. Okay, so this is about the Christmas one, so let me search here Santa. Maybe a Santa Claus animation is available for me, and this library is about consists of more than 100,000 free animations. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so I find this one. I use this one. You can find here a hanging Santa Claus into a bucket. Okay, if I click on this, I don't want to change this color, I add to my design, and this animation is added in my design. Okay, so I just wait. You can have to wait some decent time, because it depends upon, first of all, internet connection, and secondly, it uploaded that media to your library, so it took some time. Okay, so this is a file. I want to adjust it. Okay, you can find here watermark because I'm using the Canva free account. So let me first. Okay, okay. So this is the animation and I use it here. Wow. If I go to a full page, so this is wow. Definitely you can increase the you can say visibility of your account, accessibility of your account, and use these animations with your design by using Lottie files. So you will learn about in this video how to integrate the Lottie file, how to access Beautifine, and how to use and all the deep in-depth Lottie file, you can say dissection, in which we cover the discover tab, workplace tab, profile tab, and import tab. Okay, so this is all about today. Hope you will like this video, but make sure to go and practice this Lottie file right within your Canva. This is free app. You haven't paid Canva account, because I am also using right now a Canva free account. So go and use it within your design, as you can use in any design. For example, if you want to create a birthday card or a wedding card, or you can say even business documents, you can use Lottie files. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here for a while, and I hope you like this video. So make sure before leaving this YouTube video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and press the bell icon. So this is all about Lottie files from within Canva by Sagbik Digital. Have a very good day. Thank you.